Hello guys, we're gonna be Teardown and we're gonna destroy this Sonic.
It will be video of car versus Sonic.
Sonic, yeah. And this is the Sonic that we're waiting for. Look at it. There's bombs down there. Look, see?
So first try the car. There are a lot of cars.
Look how much cars there are. And we're gonna test. Which car now?
First simple take.
Like
Simple car.
this
And
thing.
we'll see what damage does it make to Sonic.
First we're gonna straighten out this run. You know. Stop in. Get out.
Like not thruster,
On car with Sonic. But just go. Then,
Oh, little damage. Just a
Yes.
little, huh?
Yep.
And
the
car
car is dead.
demolished. This was a little damage.
This thing?
Yeah. Like,
But it's going to be slow.
oh,
Yeah?
a bit faster car.
No.
No, try this.
We're gonna do something to this. Okay?
Okay. What are you going to do?
Yes. And, get out.
Oh, the boosters, huh?
Yeah.
Great idea. Yeah.
Yeah! Go! Full speed! We need more boosters.
Yeah.
Maybe they're going to do some damage? Full speed!
Oh, speed.
Into the toes.
Yeah. We did damage, huh?
And it's stuck.
It's stuck. How can it be stuck? Oh.
Hope it's going to be there.
It's gonna be there, yeah. Sonic is so strong, huh?
Yeah, he's so strong.
He hit fast car, huh? So with boosters, huh?
We're gonna do that.
Okay.
With boosters.
Yeah, many boosters. Huh?
Many boosters. And I'm gonna put on the boosters.
This truck.
Boosters for life. You're gonna be fast. Oopsies.
Oh, don't walk like this.
Let's go on the other side. It has to be balanced. Yeah! Boom! Go! Yeah!
Yeah.
Look how fast we're going!
We got fast.
Yeah, dude!
You're gonna fly, huh? Yeah.
Go through!
It's stuck and no.
Falling for life! Has a
That
light?
was a good shot, huh? To Sonic, huh? Yeah. But it stands, huh?
Still stands the big Sonic.
Go
up.
Show the Sonic how it looks now. With a hole, huh?
In his chest. He doesn't have a heart now. Why is his... That's his mouth now. Look. This
Big mouth. Another car.
A fast. Okay?
What?
We're gonna test this out.
Okay, huh? I'm very curious.
One booster.
What?
Really?
You cannot put booster, huh?
It's flipped over.
Oh.
To a tractor.
What you can do with the tractor? Okay, go.
And put more, very much boosters on it. This tractor. 100 boosters we're gonna put in this. Yes? And
Okay, this is super,
that much.
Super boosted tractor.
Full speed ahead!
What? What have you done, huh?
Full speed ahead!
You can control it. You can control it, huh?
You're stupid.
That stupid idea was, huh?
Stupidest idea. A fast car, not the slowest car in the world. This, we're gonna see what's happening.
This, okay.
Look, it's fast. It does the sound. And it drives. It's good that it drives. Not like the motorbike right there is sitting on the road. I'm gonna put 2 boosters.
Okay.
Yeah, it has to do some damage. Woo!
Oh, it's going. All the cars going through that hole, huh?
I got achievement. Left foot.
Uh-huh.
Know what that was. But okay.
That's clear.
Woo! Out here.
It is Sonic stands tall, huh? Still standing.
Look at them.
Mm-hmm.
I see some fast cars over there. Going. I'm flying over there.
Oh, see big cars, look.
But I see a Lamborghini.
Lamborghini. We need massive cars to destroy that Sonic. Well, later, huh?
I'm gonna put some boosters on this.
It's
okay?
Very fast, huh? Honestly.
No boosters. Straight it up. Ah! Did something.
Yeah, did some magic damage, huh?
I get it out. Oh shit, this is what happened with the car. With the car. Okay, now
the big car, take that whistle.
This. Look at it. It's very big, yeah. And I put. We need to drive a little bit farther. Here we're gonna put some boosters. This thing needs more boosters. Yes. Now let's go. This is going to do some damage. Yeah?
Mm-hmm. It should do.
Those is toes. I think.
Yeah.
Pretty fast. Yeah!
Yes.
Hello?
It's going through his head, huh?
Is he going to fall down?
Probably, yeah. His hand falling, huh? And he still...
His head!
His head, huh? It's slow motion now.
Mm-hmm. Oh. Oh. Yeah. The first thing
To say
I tried again. But it's okay. Nothing is going to happen to my computer. Just the game crashed.
Okay.
The computer is just going to turn off the game as it's. Yeah.
Okay.
Means thanks for watching and bye. Like and subscribe, yeah, because I crashed my game. Yeah, bye.